Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'm making a Farmhouse cutting board. I grabbed this cheese board set from the Target dollar spot. These chipwood letters, they were on clearance at Hobby Lobby. Some buffalo check ribbon from Dollar Tree and Twine. Black and plaster chalk paint and hot glue. The cheese board set comes with these little arrows and I will be using a couple of them. I started by measuring up 3 inches from the bottom of the cutting board and put painter's tape on those marks and did that all the way around. I took the black chalk paint and painted the bottom half of the chalkboard, and I did 2 coats covering the front, back, and sides. After the black paint was completely dry, I taped it off with painter's tape all the way around. And then I painted the top section, front, back, and sides with the plaster chalk paint, doing 2 coats. Next, I took 2 of the little arrows that the cheese board came with, and then the chipboard letters that spell out farm, and painted those with black chalk paint, and I gave those 2 coats as well. And then I took the twine and hot glued it to the handle and wrapped it around a bunch of times. And then I took the 2 arrows and crossed them on the white section of the cutting board just to see where I wanted them, and then took one of them and cut a little section out of it, and then hot glued them into place. And then I ended up having to trim the arrow I had cut just a little bit more so it lined up properly, and then glued that one down as well. And then I took the letters that spell out farm and put 1 letter in each little section on the sides of the arrows. And then once I had them set where I wanted them, hot glued them down. And then I took the buffalo check ribbon and made a little bow and hot glued that right on top of the twine. And then the last thing I did was added some twine back in for a hanger. And that is it. Super easy and turned out so pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching.